You are welcome to my channel. On today's class, our subject is physics and I will take you through refraction of light. I am Giwa Alim Kende. Topic outline: 1. Refraction, angle of refraction, and lastly, dispersion. Lesson objective: at the end of the lesson, you should be able to define and illustrate refraction of light, explain why light is refracted, differentiate between refraction and reflection, and lastly, define dispersion of light. What is refraction? Refraction is the change in the direction of light when it crosses a boundary between two substances or media. A medium is the substance or material through which light is traveling. The plural of medium is media. A good example is when you look a spoon inside a glass of water. The spoon tends to be bent. Is the spoon bent in reality? No. I know and you know it's not bent. But why? Why is it bent? The simple reason is the principle behind refraction, because light has traveled between two mediums, a medium of air and has entered a medium of water, causing the light to change its direction. And when light changes in direction, it bends the light ray. Then you have what we know as refraction. Having said that, now let's know in a broader view why is light refracted. A good example is a light passing through a glass prism as shown. But now let's look at different facts about it. The speed of light depends on the material through which the light is traveling. Don't forget, light travels at the speed of 300 million meters per second in space or in air. Now, when that light is entering a medium like water, like glass, definitely the light is going to reduce. How is it going to happen? If you are running through a wall, will you run at a full speed, or the barrier of the wall won't stop you to reduce your speed? Also, the speed at which light travels on air, when it enters a medium like glass, water, it reduces and affects the speed of light. The particles in a medium slows down the passage of light wave. Also, light only refracts at the boundary when it is entering or leaving a medium, e.g., light from air into glass. The speed of light changes. The more that light slows down, the more the light is refracted, and the difference in medium causes the light to bend or refract. As a physics term, instead of saying light has bent, simply say light has refracted. Angle of refraction. Angle of refraction is the angle between the refracted ray and the normal ray. Refracted ray is the ray after crossing a boundary between media. A good illustration of a glass prism, where our incident, as we all know, is the light that strikes the surface of object, and light has entered through it, causing it to refract in what you see at that angle to our normal line. We have the angle of incidence and we have the angle of refraction, and that is our refracted ray. Dispersion now. Dispersion is the reflection of light, of white light, into separate wavelength colors. Don't forget about this color spectrum, where we say it's in its actual sense there are rainbow colors. The amount of refraction is different from each color. The amount of refraction is different from each color spectrum. A single beam of white light can be split into rainbow of colors. Summary of class today. Refraction is the change in the direction of light when it crosses a boundary between two substances or media. Angle of refraction is the angle between the refracted ray and the normal. Dispersion is the reflection of white into separate wavelength and color. Assignment for today: differentiate between reflection and refraction. Define angle of refraction. Explain why light is refracted. Please kindly submit your answers via training@educom.com. Thank you for